Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started by tapping on Facebook. Okay, good. Then we'll click on tap on menu icon. Okay, good. Then we'll scroll down to settings. Good. Then we'll tap on account center. Good. Then we'll scroll down to personal details. You can see that. Good. Then we'll click on account ownership and control. Good. Then we tap on deactivation or deletion. Good. Then we'll tap on the account name. Then we'll tap on deactivate account. You can see it has been checked already. So we click continue. Then we click on continue. So right here, you have to input your Facebook password. Once you input your Facebook password and you hit continue, your Facebook account will be deactivated. Thank you.